We will see assembly of height adjustable table step by step, and once you go through the video, you will be able to assemble any brand as the assembly process is going to be identical. Starting with the package, it's a modular package like this. It's a small box and a little on a heavier side. One person can comfortably still pick up, and this is how the box looks like. Once you open the box, I have arranged all the part one by one, and this also comes with instruction manual. These are all the accessories, and always whenever the package comes, first thing is to ensure that everything is as per what is given in the instruction. I will show you how this will get used. You don't even have to look at the instruction manual, and let's get into the actual assembly of this height adjustable desk. Place both the leg. One leg has motor and a cable you can see here, and the other leg like this. Once this is placed, on this I have placed this crossbar, and here the way I have put, I made a mistake and I had to make the correction. What you need to ensure is I'm showing a standing view so that you get to know this has to come on top. I have placed this earlier below, and then I had to change it to the top. So ensure that this is on top like this, and then you see the placement. These holes you'll be able to see when you place this bar like this. Once this matches, it's time to add this screw with this Allen key. This Allen key will fit in the screw. This is how you will check. This is the closer look of the screw. Just place it in these 4 holes and then screw it up. This has been screwed, and here you can see the leaf is down. You just make sure it is on top. I'll show you the actual angle once this has been set up like this. Right now it shows the leaf down. You need to get that up. Position this leg and the frame like this, and then it's time to set up the legs. These are the screws, 4 on each leg, and this is the Allen key, same Allen key. This is the bottom shoe, and on the shoe side, this is how the screw will go. 4 of these like this. You see the shoe side orientation. This is facing upwards, and then all these 4 screw goes in and then secured with Allen. Same way you do this on the other side. Leg frame is complete and secured. Slowly pick and make this stand like this. Let me keep this cable down. Now comes this side plate, and here you can see there are 4 holes, and these 2 are bigger ones where this screw will go. 2 of them, one here and the other one here. And on the side, let me hold this like this. On the side you see there are 2 holes, and 1, 2. Here the screw will go, which is different from the screw which is above here. Okay. So once you get this, you will not go wrong. Place it like this and match with the hole. Then you screw this and screw on the side like this. Make sure it is fully secure. And once that is done, do the same on the other side. Next is fixing this transmission rod, and this is the most critical part. If this is not done right, this can actually harm your height adjustable table, because this has to be secured properly, and you turn like this to loosen. Once you lose, you see, you will be able to see the thread. That means it's loose, and then you will be able to extend this rod like this. On the other end of the rod, you will see this screw which is already fixed, and this small Allen key will be used to tighten this once this rod is fixed on the table. When you carefully look at this rod, there is a slight protrusion here where I am showing my finger. You will be able to see this better with naked eye. And till here, when you insert, this rod has to go in to the hole. This is the Q. Let me show you a closer look of this hole. You can see it's a hexagonal hole, and this is where this rod will go like this. Once you place it, ensure it goes fully till that guide which I had shown earlier. Once this is done like this, now it is inside. I can see it, and this part is done. The other side where the screw is, it has to face outside this screw, so that when you're using the Allen key, it's easier for you to tighten this. See, this leaf which is there shows down, which is wrong, and I had to change later. Again, I am telling you, if you have followed from start, you will not make this mistake. This leaf will be on top, and then you are organizing this like this and securing and extending the length. Then you go ahead and tighten the screw using Allen key, and then tighten this plastic knob like this. Make sure it's tight. Once that is done, next step is to organize the tabletop, and for this you need this wooden tip. You can see here the tabletop comes in two separate section and has 4 holes in each. You will insert this wooden tip in one of them. I have kept it like this to show this to you. I'll take this to ground. Aligning the hole, bring them together. It's easy. One thing you have to ensure is that on this tabletop, once this is done, I'll show you. This tabletop is done and there are holes here. These holes have to face your side, because on these holes you will be placing the frame and other accessories which we will see. So these are all the holes. Okay, so once you have ensured that it is facing towards you and not towards the ground, here to do this activity you need a screwdriver or a power drill. If you have power drill, it's going to be easier. Here you can see this I got from Dollarama, and this is the head which I'm using, PH1. Carefully place the frame aligning the holes on this tabletop, and make sure that this tabletop is on absolute flat surface. Otherwise, you will end up breaking the tabletop. When you're placing this frame, the leg which has this motor, you can see here, will be closer to this hole. There are 2 holes here where this control panel will come. So this motor, you remember, and this is the cable which will come and extend till here. Once visual check is done with the hole alignment, you can see here holes on both sides, and also here this one shows the alignment, and this is the right way. Once this is done, just tighten and secure all the screw. Next comes control panel, and here you will see how this will get placed. See how I am placing this control panel. This part will be outwards, and then align the holes and then put the screw and tighten it. On both sides, you will place this headphone hanger, and again we will screw this. I'm sure here you will not go wrong, because there are no room for error. The hole is so close that this is the only way you'll be able to place this holder. So once this is tightened on both sides, now we will connect both this cable to the control panel one by one. Here both sizes are different, so there are very little room for error. This bigger one will go in like this, and once you press this, this will get fixed. Then this one goes in like this. You push it in, and then both are done. This is the charger section which will go to power socket. Let me take this out. I'm not using this cable clip. You can take this out and place it on the table and secure this cable. I'll be using something else, so I'm just leaving as it is. Be careful when you're doing this. Charger goes to the power socket and I press 2 now. So the height is increasing. 1 is the standard height. 2, you can see it's increasing, and when I press 3, it goes further high. You can see it here. You can adjust your height and it's quite smooth. Pressing 1 will get it back to its normal height. You can adjust the height as per your liking with this up and down arrow. And once you press both this arrow together, you can do the child lock. Once the child lock activates, you will see this LOC. And once again you press this long, you will see this unlock. And that's the entire assembly of height adjustable table. Hopefully this was useful to you. Please let me know in the comment section. And also don't forget to read this warning. Don't keep TV or any heavy object on this table. Thanks for watching.